ChatGPT is really cool and all, but it would be even cooler if it was a voice assistant. So that's what I tried to do. I started off with a simple code in a while true statement where I send something to ChatGPT, a statement, a question, whatever, and then it returns it back to me using ChatGPT's API. And keep in mind, you will need your own key for this, API key, and it'll return back a response. For example, if I say 2 plus 2, then it returns me back as 4. So the next step is for the code to recognize my voice and send that to ChatGPT instead of writing it previously in the code. To use this, I use a library called speech recognition. This recognizes whatever I'm saying and turns it into text. So now instead of me writing down what I want to send to ChatGPT in the code, it'll recognize my voice and take that statement and send that to ChatGPT instead. The next step is now to take the reply that ChatGPT gives me and to convert that to voice. And for this, I use the library called PyTTSX3. This converts text to voice. And as you can see over here, it's only 2 lines, it's not that big. And now all I'm going to do is the reply that ChatGPT sends back. I'm going to put that into this function over here, and it should work now. So here's an example. 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
And as you can see, it works pretty well. So this is essentially a voice assistant for ChatGPT.